Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today what we're going to discuss is my recent rent-to-rent deal or service accommodation deal in Liverpool. Did it everything remotely. I'm going to show you everything from the inside and out and how I done it. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 PM when I post. So let's go. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. First off, I want to say thank you for being here. Today you're going to see great video clips from literally A to Z how I got this property. Okay, so let's get started. So with this specific property, this property was a one bed property. It goes for 600 a month. Very great. In Liverpool, as you could tell, rent is so much lower. So I said to myself that let me get like a one bed. I'm looking at like one bed to two beds. Let me get something like that, with obviously low in cost, so it's not expensive on my side, and see how much I can make profit of it. So literally an agent, not a landlord, an agent reached out to me and they said that they have a property which is a one bed. So I said, awesome, let me check it out. Show me a video clip of everything. It looked beautiful and I thought, incredible, definitely gonna take this one. Because I said to myself, when you list like one bed, two beds, for example, one bed, for example, Liverpool Airbnb, you could be making like, let's say, it goes right now at this time, you're looking at 120 up a night, which is incredible for a whole entire apartment. So I said to myself, that's awesome, because all I basically need is 5 nights and I'll be making profit on top of that afterwards, which is incredible. So I said, yeah, let's do it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you a video clip of what I first saw. Everything once again was all remotely, so I physically did not have to be there. Saw everything literally on my phone and communicated with the agent. Alright, so check this out and see what it looked like. Okay guys, wasn't that nice? Wasn't that beautiful? I said to and this is the thing, when it comes to service accommodation, you need to make sure you don't need to do much work in it. So there's a certain type of level I'm looking at to say, yeah, I'm happy to take this on. If it's something where I had to do a lot of work to, I wouldn't really take it on. I like something where it's already nice and done up, so then when my cleaner does, you know, the sparks and the little champagnes and all of that, then, you know, it's much more wow, but, you know, it wasn't much I had to put in it. So, coming to that, so then after done deal, I said, yep, happy to do it, and then something came up. So, what came up was, basically, the guy basically said to me how something's wrong with the shower. Something's wrong with the shower, so we need to fix it, right? And so I said, oh my gosh, this is gonna delay some things. So then what I did was I wanted, before the date of the time that I'm actually gonna take the keys, what I said is I wanted my cleaner to stage everything, so make it look all pretty, so I could then at least list it on Airbnb and booking.com, so then we can start getting bookings in even before I even have the property. It's just smart that way. So everything happened for a reason, so I saw that as a blessing. Did that, but then I'm gonna show you another clip to show you what the property looked like when the cleaners had, not the cleaners, when the workers had come and fix the shower. Look at this state. Look at this state. I say it again. Look at this state it was in. Look at this state it was in. But my cleaner obviously jazzed it up again after, which I'll show you that later on. But look at the next clip I'm about to show you now.
Just a little show through. I basically thought I'd be coming in and setting up the room. Obviously I'm going to have to clean it. This is basically what we're left with. and it's just filthy, so I'm going to have to clean it all for the pictures, because obviously everything's disgusting. And then obviously we're going to have to clean it again afterwards. This doesn't match, so I'm not sure if we want to look into getting a valance, maybe something to cover that blue, because that looks horrendous. So here, and then obviously this, they look a lot better on the pictures.
Okay guys, welcome back here. So that was the second clip where my cleaner literally said, oh my gosh, this place looked a mess. And so he had to do his jazz, like beautiful. He made it pretty. Like the next thing I'm going to show you, it looks amazing. But he had to clean everything up. And this is the benefits of having to clean up within a place of where you're not able to go to, because they will do everything for you. My cleaner is essentially like my PA, like he does literally everything for me, which I'm so grateful for, and that is really beneficial to me because I physically do not have to be there. Didn't have to collect the keys as he's got my keys, so everything, like from the master safe, everything I put in place remotely. Didn't physically have to be there. So yeah, my cleaner jazzed it up. Our budget was only £70, but we did go up £10 extra, which was perfectly fine anyway, because you're going to see, so it was only £80 that we had to spend to make it all jazzy and cute. And there's places like Home Bargains, Poundland, all of these places make everything so much cheaper, so you don't physically have to go to like Sainsbury's, Tesco's and all those other places to buy the props. So without further ado, now I'm going to show you the last clip segment of how it turned out, so check it out. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today. How did it look? Tell me your feedback. Did you love it? Do you want to see more content like this? Because to be honest, I love content like this. But before we end today, I hope you gained so much value in this, and also make sure before we go, add me on Instagram, it's Oniru. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 PM when I post. And finally guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.